providers are doing, have been doing across the county.
What the vision and aims of the trust is, what the added value the trust brings, and finally how the trust fits into the local strategic landscape and the various different partnerships which are coming out there now. Okay. In terms of why we're doing it, first of all, the Community Learning Trust follows the model outlined by the Department for Business Innovation and Skills in its policy document, New Challenges, New Chances. So it describes a community learning programme that involves and empowers local individuals and communities to plan the community learning offer. The Community Learning Trust also promotes collaborative working between providers and stakeholders at a district level. It also provides an environment to achieve an evidence PAM Plus. Now, PAM Plus is a term introduced by the department that explains essentially adding value, what additional income or additionalities is added to the public purse. But I'll talk a bit more about PAM Plus later. And also the Community Learning Trust supports the councils and the district councils and boroughs councils locality and skills agenda.
Well, good morning everyone, and I like Philip's message of listen to the learner, because I think that's a key message that came over really from the start of the process. I've used this quote a lot, which is from the BIS Community Learning Trust pilot prospectus, which is about learning not being for local people but to belong to them, and they must answer them for its success or failure. Learning is something that should be bottom up, and that was really the starting point for this, because we felt that we needed to ask learners what they wanted. And I've spoken to other community learning trusts, some of the pilots nationally, who haven't, and much to my surprise, I don't think many of them have actually asked, but our intention was to actually start by asking people what they wanted. And so really that came from that quote.
And this is the big thing I really want to focus on, and we're going to focus on in our locality working group, is around communication equality. We have Staffordshire County Council and Adult Community Learning to thank for the quality of the work we do, their background support and the shows in the Ofsted results. We put on very good training, there's no doubt about it.
Called Borderline because we work with marginalised groups and individuals, and that can mean a whole range of different things, like you could be marginalised because of your age, because of a disability, it could be an economic reason, it could be your ethnicity, it could be that your experience within your community doesn't make it easy for you to want to get out of the house or to leave, so your will becomes smaller and smaller. And through our work in the New Vic, we also work with partners who support those groups and actually address some of the issues which might push people to the edges.
This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me, when Israel was in Egypt's land. Let my
3, 4.
Nanuma wee, nanuma.
And even higher still. Nanuma wee, nanuma.
Nanuma wee, nanuma. Gets boring. Nanuma wee, nanuma. Nanuma wee, nanuma. Nanuma wee, nanuma.
Okay, right. That sounds very nice, but it's going to sound better when we get into football.
If you're unsure, if you just watch me or watch others on your table, and yeah, we'll get there, I'm sure. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jack Meredith, 98 years old and still going strong.
Wellies provides therapeutic activities for people recovering from mental ill health using animals, plants and the countryside. So it goes out onto farms, into woodland, nurseries, equine yards, all sorts of different places really, to just provide a wide variety of activities. And that combination of fresh air, exercise, socialising with others, eating good healthy food, growing it, cooking it, eating it, just generally being with others, learning new skills, trying new things, trying things you wouldn't ordinarily try, and that really develops people's confidence and self-esteem.
Show you again how diverse a group of learners and activities that one organisation can offer in an area. So let's just take this one's working, shall we?
This is my cartoon.
My name is Si, this is my cartoon.
Hello, it's my name Matthew. I do a cartoon. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum.